Oh no.
It hurts, doesn't it, honey?
Oh, I just have a hiccup.
I hear you.
Good, she's quiet.
Huh?
I was talking loud.
Okay.
Oh. That was horrible. Oh god. I call Mom.
Is there a dentist here
In Butte.
in Butte?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know where exactly.
Harrison.
Harrison?
Yes.
All right.
Oh. Why did he got her mouth? How long did that take?
I'm going after your tea now.
How long did that take?
How long is what?
Did it take?
Less than an hour.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. Oh, I can't hiccup on my mouth shut. Oh. I'm swollen. Oh.
Sorry,
Okay. Oh.
You can put your seat back maybe and rest your head if you need to.
Is your door open? Whose door? Whose door?
I hear you. It might be your door. I'll get
Okay.
it down here.
Okay.
I don't think he got it all the way shut. I can see a gap. Not yet?
Hold on. Hold on.
I'll get it when we get to
I
the...
got it. Hold on. Keep going. It's fine. I get it. Oh. Oh.
Okay, baby. I hear ya. Mommy hears ya. Stokes also has the Monopoly that Albertsons has.
Safeway does.
Safeway does?
Yes.
Oh, I knew there was another store. I've been to all of them lately.
I have a Monopoly boy at the house.
They're the same anyway. You can use them jointly on your sheet.
Oh yeah. It's the same promo.
Yeah. Till the end of May. That's a good long one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your mom have potatoes at home?
Why?
Because you'll be able to have mashed potatoes. Soft foods.
Yeah. I'm pretty good sleep on there.
I know you got pudding and jello. That's good.
Uh-huh. I need a spoon.
She said not rice.
I know. I need a spoon. Spoon.
Spoon?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Eat with a spoon, did she say?
I need a spoon.
You need a spoon. Okay.
Yes. I need gosh out of my mouth. Dying out. I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Uh-huh.
I'm sure, honey. You gonna have some of your pudding or jello?
Maybe.
Okay. You just must have done something with all these holes.
Yeah.
A mess.
This is soon.
What?
This is.
So you don't have anything else that you could have here except ice cream, or you want just stick with your pudding and jello for now?
Huh?
Huh?
There might be something else I can have.
Like what?
I don't know. I'll give me a minute. I'll let. A chocolate milkshake.
A what? Taco?
Chocolate milkshake.
Oh. You'll have to drink it without the straw.
It can have a straw in it. I know how to drink it. I need a straw to drink it.
And a spoon.
No straw. I need a spoon for the dough. I'm pulling it out. That's so gross. I need a bag.
A baggie?
A paper towel. Hold on.
Here's the
Hold on, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine.
You
Yeah.
got something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hooray. Hooray. Oh.
You want a chocolate milk and a tea?
The chocolate milkshake.
Milkshake, right.
Just one.
Just one? Okay.
One drink. Just one drink.
Okay, I got you.
I got money.
It's that time of year. Shamrock shakes are here. Order when you're ready.
The what shakes? Shamrock shake. You still want the chocolate?
Just a chocolate.
We want a chocolate milkshake and I'll take a shamrock shake.
You got a quarter?
How much are they?
$3.25.
They're what? How much are they?
I got three if you have a quarter. Grandma, I got
I
three.
have $6. We can get the small ones or you want a bigger one?
I got three.
Huh?
How much are they?
$2.75 for the small, did you say? Yeah, $2.75 and then $3.25.
Here, make it the bigger ones.
The medium one?
Yeah.
2 mediums. Yeah. 1 chocolate, 1 shamrock. Yes. All right. That's got calories. That'll
Oh.
be better.
Oh.